little explorers! Welcome to Beehive Kids, where learning is always fun. Today, we are going to learn something very special: animals and their homes. Every animal has a home, just like you. Let's find out where they live. Are you ready? Let's start! This is a dog. This is a kennel. The dog lives in a kennel.
Yay!
This is a cat. This is a house. The cat lives in a house.
Yay!
This is a cow. This is a shed. The cow lives in a shed.
Yay!
This is a horse. This is a stable. The horse lives in a stable.
Yay!
This is a bird. This is a nest. The bird lives in a nest.
Yay!
This is a lion. This is a den. The lion lives in a den.
Yay!
This is an elephant. This is a jungle. The elephant lives in the jungle.
Yay!
This is a rabbit. This is a burrow. The rabbit lives in a burrow.
Yay!
This is a duck. This is a pond. The duck lives in a pond.
Yay!
This is a hen. This is a coop. The hen lives in a coop.
Yay!
This is a sheep. This is a pen. The sheep lives in a pen.
Yay!
This is a pig. This is a sty. The pig lives in a sty.
Yay!
This is a bear. This is a cave. The bear lives in a cave.
Yay!
This is a snake. This is a hole. The snake lives in a hole.
Yay!
This is an ant. This is an anthill. The ant lives in an anthill.
Yay!
This is a fish. This is water. The fish lives in water.
Yay!
This is a rat. This is a hole. The rat lives in a hole.
Yay!
This is a spider. This is a web. The spider lives in a web.
Yay!
This is a frog. This is a pond. The frog lives in a pond.
Yay!
This is a tiger. This is a den. The tiger lives in a den.
Yay!
This is a camel. This is a desert. The camel lives in the desert.
Yay!
This is a zebra. This is a grassland. The zebra lives in the grassland.
Yay!
This is a monkey. This is a tree. The monkey lives in a tree.
Yay!
This is a bee. This is a hive. The bee lives in a hive.
Yay!
This is a penguin. This is snow. The penguin lives in snow.
Yay!
This is a deer. This is a forest. The deer lives in the forest.
Yay!
Wow, that was amazing, kids! Let's repeat what we learned today. Ready, kids? Let's say them together. Dog, kennel. Cat, house. Elephant, jungle. Bird, nest. Rabbit, burrow. What about the cow? Do you remember its home? That's right! The cow lives in a shed. Fish, water. Duck, pond. Rat, hole. Hen, coop. Sheep, pen. Ant, anthill. Okay, kids, where does the horse live? Yes, the horse lives in a stable. Tiger, den. Monkey, tree. Frog, pond. Zebra, grassland. Deer, forest. Do you know where the camel lives? Correct! The camel lives in the desert. Lion, den. Snake, hole. Bee, hive. Penguin, snow. Pig, sty. Bear, cave. Okay, kids, now the last one. Where does the spider live? Yes! Great job! The spider lives in a web. Great job, kids! You learned where so many animals live. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beehive Kids, where learning is always fun. Bye-bye!
Yay! That was so much fun! Want more songs and fun learning? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beehive Kids. See you soon, friends! Bye-bye!